It is great to have a website up with online gallery, biography and contact, but it is not enough in today's rapidly growing group of photographers. What are we going to be talking about today? It's Money Monday, Marketing for Photographers, episode number 5. My name is Zdenka Darola. I work as a photographer for many years. I'm a former model and a few other things. What marketing companies highly suggest to do in 2019 is blogging. It's been around for a long time. It's been very popular in past years. It will be popular again this year and in many years to come. I can already see some of you clenching teeth right now. I do that sometimes too, because you might be thinking, great, well, I don't have a time to do this now. I don't even know what to write. I don't even know what to post there. It's just gonna take too much time. Well, there is a strong reason you should be doing this, so just listen up. My own website is www.zdenkadarola.com. It has been set up as a blog, and I've been posting blogs for a number of years, I think about 10 by now. And I have to say, I get so upset at myself if I don't post anything new for a while. Why? Because I feel right away that I'm getting less contacts from new people, from new potential clients. They cannot find me organically as much anymore. So yeah, it's very important to have the blog going. It's very important to post often. It will affect the way people find you in Google and any other search engines. Here is why blogging is so important, and if you haven't started yet, you need to change that this year. Pronto! When I visit a very basic website, just homepage, online portfolio, about us section and contact, and I visit the same website after a long time, maybe in a few weeks, few months, half a year, and I see that nothing has changed, my reaction right away is this person still in business? What's going on? Is he still even doing photography? It kind of looks like they made the website, it's just hanging there, it kind of looks dead to me. On the other side, if I visit a website which has lots of going on, it's maybe set up as a blog, there's current offers and deals, some coupons, and I see some recent dates, I have right away more trust to that person. I know right away that if I email them, I will most likely get a response back. Blogging gives you credibility. It shows that you are working and you are busy. You remind yourself that you are here and available. And if you blog often, people will understand it as you are high in demand. Let's look at SEO, or search engine optimization. It's pretty difficult to show up on the first page of Google. It's very difficult for new websites, it's very difficult for existing websites as well. Blogging will allow you to rank those very long keywords really well. It is a permanent content online which will bring you new visitors and potentially new clients you guys want. Here's a great example from my own experience. I created a blog post about the Old Mill wedding in Toronto. Old Mill is a venue where is happening a lot of weddings. It's a very well-known venue in Toronto, so obviously I did a little bit of writing about it. I posted a few photos and I made sure I'm using the keyword the Old Mill wedding in Toronto. Now, over the years, I got contacted by many people getting married at the Old Mill, and they specifically told me that they found my website, they found my content through this particular post. Blogging will help you to get a little bit closer to your audience. They will see you a little bit more in a personal way. They will get to know your personality, and as we all know, people prefer to work with people rather than business. So more personal approach is way better than business approach. Some of your clients will really love the fact that you will post their photos on your website. They will feel special and appreciated, and there is a very good chance that they will share it on social media as well. If you are going to include your clients' photos on your website, common sense, have a permission from those or that client. Make sure you have a model release signed. What happened to me in the past, I did a photo shoot of a client. I had them sign a very large model release, which is also part of the contract. Down the road, a few years later, I got a very nasty email asking them to remove all the images from my online portfolio and other online portfolios which were part of my marketing system. I pulled out the copy of contract, sent it to them, and obviously problem solved. Other clients might refuse to be on your website, and it is totally okay. A lot of people are very private and you should respect that. You don't need to have every single client of yours in your portfolio. You will be shooting down the road, you will be shooting many years, and you will be able to build the portfolio anyways. Building trust with your clients will bring you a lot of referrals in the future. I learned one thing, that every time I got that very difficult, very picky client, and if I did my job very well, I listened to the client very well, I shot good photos which they really liked, I always got the most referrals. I don't know, it always worked for me that way. In your blog posts, don't be afraid to mention another vendors. They might give you a referral in the future. There's actually a higher chance to get a referral from them if you show a little bit of appreciation and if you give them credit. If you snap few extra photos of those vendors, maybe as they are working or behind the scenes, and you will give them the photos, there is a good chance they will post it on their social media or on their website and they will credit you, which means more traffic to your website. Bottom line, blogging is very important on your website. Don't postpone it any longer. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future photography marketing videos. If you have any questions or comments, especially about blogging or about marketing in general, or simply want to say hello, please do so in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ahoy.